New RBI Ghana announced plus key market insights. What's ahead for traders? GIFT Nifty is zooming higher in early action. The big news on the front pages: Revenue Secretary Sanjay Malhotra named RBI Ghana for 3 years. Sanjay Malhotra, age 56, will take over from Shaktikanta Das on 11th December as the 26th Ghana of RBI. Malhotra, who has, in the past, worked as chairman and managing director of Statron Rec, has been instrumental towards achieving the recent buoyancy in tax collections. Now, all eyes will be on India's CPI numbers, which will trickle in on Thursday, 12th December. On Friday the 13th, the WPI inflation numbers are slated to release as well. Long story short, an up-and-down session on cards. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 724 crores, while DIIs sold shares to the tune of Rs 1648 crores. Sentiments are likely to be waver. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating slight overbought conditions on the daily charts. Fano December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading near 14.10 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th December, is at 1.20 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th December, is at 0.98. Nifty outlook: choppiness may prevail, but Nifty is likely to trade with positive bias. Nifty, CMP to 4619. Support, 24,500 to 24,450. Resistance, 24,700 to 24,750. Range, 24,450 to 24,750. Bias, sideways. Bank Nifty, CMP 53407. Support, 53,150 to 53,100. Resistance, 53,650 to 53,700. Range, 53,100 to 53,700. Bias, sideways. It was nice to see FIIs on the buying side in yesterday's choppy trade. The biggest positive catalyst in the backdrop: November US jobs report solidifies rate cut expectations. Another rate cut in sight. Having said that, all eyes will be on US Consumer Price Index for November, which will be wired this Wednesday, 11th December. The US CPI still has the potential to upset bullish traders' expectations for a quarter-point rate cut. The Federal Open Market Committee's interest rate policy decision is on 18th December. Buzzing stocks. 1. In yesterday's trade, Nifty FMCG index plunged around 2% after a weak quarterly update from industry major Godrej Consumer sparked concerns of an industry-wide demand slowdown. Tata Consumer, minus 4.1%, Marico, minus 4.09%. HUL, minus 3.34%, Dabur, minus 3.24%. Nestle, minus 1.72%, Britannia Industries, minus 1.6%, lost significantly. 2. Meanwhile, the IPO market is likely to be quite active this week, with 11 companies gearing up to launch their IPO, collectively aiming to raise nearly 18,500 crore rupees. The prominent firms launching their IPOs are Vishal Mega Mart, TPG Capital-backed Sai Life Sciences, One MobiKwik Systems.